In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur background in Luminar Neo. There are two main ways to do it in Luminar Neo, but we'll focus on the fastest and most natural option, Portrait Bokeh AI. This tool is designed for portraits and people, and it automatically separates your subject from the background so you can create a pleasing blur with minimal effort. Start by opening your photo and switching to the Edit view. In the Tools panel, look for Portrait Bokeh AI, usually found in the Portrait section. As soon as you open it, Luminar will analyze the image and detect the person or people in the frame. Give it a moment to process. You'll see the subject remain sharp while the background is targeted for blur. Next, adjust the amount slider. This controls how strong the background blur appears. Increase it gradually, watching how the background softens. The goal is to enhance separation without making it look fake. Subtlety usually wins. Big jumps can create that cutout look. You can also fine-tune the background mood. If your image needs a lift or a warmer feel, nudge the background brightness and warmth controls. A slight brightness increase can mimic a shallower depth of field on a sunny day, while a gentle warmth shift can make skin tones feel more inviting. Keep these tweaks light so your subject still appears naturally lit. Now let's talk about edges. Even with strong AI, some areas like hair, shoulders, or hands may need a little polish. Zoom in and check the transition between your subject and the blur. If you notice hard or crunchy edges, soften them with feathering or other edge smoothing controls within the tool. This blends the subject into the blur more naturally and avoids the halo effect. A few common mistakes to avoid. Don't push the blur too far. Overdoing it flattens the scene and screams artificial. Make sure the subject stays tack sharp. If anything important looks soft, dial back the amount or refine the edge softness. And watch for hard lines around the subject. Using feathered soft transitions is your best friend for realism. That's it! With Portrait Bokeh AI, you get fast, professional-looking background blur tailored for portraits without complicated masking or manual work. Take your time, adjust with a light touch, and you'll have a clean, cinematic separation that looks like it was shot with a premium lens.